Like a smiling wolf with a mouthful of the farmer's prize hen, U.S. Department of Justice Deputy Attorney General Rod Rosenstein faced a panel of frustrated congressmen alongside FBI Director Wray, knowing full well he still possessed piles of evidence.
The department's confidentiality policies to emphasize that non-public, sensitive information obtained in connection with our work is protected from disclosure.
Jordan.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Mr. Rosenstein, why are you keeping information from Congress?
Congressman, I am not keeping any information from Congress that it's appropriate.
In a few minutes, Mr. Rosenstein, I think the House of Representatives is going to say something different.
I don't agree with you, Congressman. I don't believe that's what they're going to say, and if they do, they'll be mistaken.
I disagree, but I think in a few minutes, the House of Representatives is going to go on record saying you haven't complied with requests from a separate and equal branch of government, that you haven't complied with subpoenas, and you got 7 days to get your act together. I think that's what's going to happen in a few. And that's not Jim Jordan. I think that's a majority of the House of Representatives. In just a few minutes, I think that's going to happen. And I want to know why you won't give us what we've asked for.
Sir, I certainly hope that your colleagues are not under that impression. That is not accurate, sir. And
it is accurate. We have caught you hiding information,
Mr. Chairman, can we allow the witness to answer? Mr. Chairman, point of order.
Why did you hide the fact that Peter Strzok and Judge Contreras were friends? Why did you redact that in the documents you gave to us? Judge Contreras is kind of important. FISA court judge, more importantly, just as importantly, the judge that heard Mike Flynn's case. Why did you try to hide that from us?
Mr. Jordan, I appreciate you giving me the opportunity to respond. I've heard you make those sort of allegations publicly on TV.
I got
and if you let me respond, sir.
Mr. Chairman, he should be given the opportunity.
Now, Mr. Jordan,
answer.
It's redacted.
I am the Deputy Attorney General of the United States. Okay? I'm not the person doing the redacting. I'm responsible for responding to your concerns as I have. I have a team with me, sir. It's just a fraction of the team that's doing this work, and whenever you brought issues to my attention, I have taken appropriate steps to remedy them. So your statement that I'm personally keeping information from you, trying to conceal information...
You're the boss, Mr. Rosenstein.
That's correct.
Rosenstein also knew that he had stacked the deck against President Trump, signing off on the wiretapping of Trump Aide Carter Page, all based on the illegitimacy and political witch hunt caused by the manufactured Steele Dossier.
You know, they talk about the Mueller investigation. It's really the Rosenstein investigation. You appointed Mueller, you're supervising Mueller, and it's supposedly about collusion between Trump's campaign in Russia and obstruction of justice, but you wrote the memo saying that Comey should be fired, and you signed the FISA extension for Carter Page. So my question is to you, it seems like you should be recused from this more so than Jeff Sessions, just because you were involved in making decisions affecting both prongs of this investigation. Why haven't you done that?
Congressman, I can assure you that if it were appropriate for me to recuse, I'd be more than happy.
Now, blatantly biased FBI minion Peter Strzok's closed testimony to the House Judiciary Committee is under lock and key. So far, Senator Goodlatte revealed that Strzok stonewalled the panel on whether he communicated with anyone connected to the Steele Dossier. After 11 hours of testimony, Strzok refused to answer that key and relevant question. It was Martin Luther that said, "You are not only responsible for what you say, but what you didn't say." Strzok is saying plenty with his silence. John Bound reporting.